Spencer Sue here, your tech realtor of the Bay Area. Today, I am at Estancia here in Mountain View, built by Lennar Homes. Lennar Homes is a very different builder as they have a lot of premium upgrades already built for the home as their base feature. They're one of the earliest builders to incorporate smart home automation and tools within the home just by default. We're going to take a look at a few properties today so you have a better idea. Prices range from $2 million to about $3 million, from $1.4 million to about $1.9 million. And there are styles of townhomes and single family residences. All of the properties are 3 stories tall, and we're gonna go take a look right now. We are here at one of the 3 models at Estancia. This is a 3-bed, 3.5 bath home. Let's go take a look inside. All right, we are here at the first one. This is residence 6. This is a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, approximately 1,700 square foot. Has a 2-car garage on the bottom level. On the left-hand side, we have a full bed and bath. Great for in-laws, potentially great for rentals as well. This is a 3-story. What's nice about this second floor is actually it has 2 balconies. You have one on each end. Very nice large island. One of the things about Lennar Homes is that they have been one of the first builders to be leveraging all of the different types of home automation and tech. You can see they have signs up top about Alexa, the different thermostats. So they actually have most of these different basic home tech in place, including the Ring doorbell. On this floor, you have
I don't know that one.
a bathroom, half bath. All right, we'll go up to the 3rd floor, where we'll have 2 of the remaining bedrooms and baths. So we're at bedroom number 2, if you count the first one downstairs. This bedroom has its own bath. Walk to the other bedroom, which is the master. Has a very large bathroom. And a large walk-in closet. Well, there you have it. This is the first of 3 models. We're gonna go take a look at the next model right now. All right, you'll notice that the front has a very similar layout. 2-car garage, private suite for the bottom level. Let's go upstairs. The main difference with this floor plan is that the bath is actually on the same level. The previous one, the bath was on about like a 2-3 steps up. So it's not technically on the same level. So it's on the same level here. This one also only has one balcony versus the other one had two, one on each side. Beautiful open space. Once again, these are all powered by different smart home devices. Let's go upstairs to the third floor, where you'll see the remaining bedrooms. There's a slight difference for these as well. So we're on the third floor. Here's the first bedroom. It's got its own bath, large closet. And the master is slightly different. So this one, finishes are different. It has a walk-in closet here, but you'll see it has another walk-in closet on the side. So well, there you have it. We just did a quick tour of 2 of the available models. There are over 9 to choose from, but not all of them have model homes. If you are interested in any of these properties or any new construction in the Bay Area, feel free to reach me at my details below. I look forward to help you create a better life today.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope that was helpful. If you like more of the latest contents and to be sure to see all my videos, please subscribe here. If you want to see my previous video, you can subscribe here as well. See you at the next one.